How do boarding schools handle student privacy? Have you ever wondered how boarding schools manage to keep student information private? It is a topic that raises many questions, especially when it comes to the balance between safety and privacy. Boarding schools handle student privacy primarily by following legal frameworks designed to protect educational records and personal information. In the United States, the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act sets the baseline for how schools, including boarding schools, manage student data. This law requires schools to keep student records confidential and restricts disclosure of personally identifiable information without parental or eligible student consent. Boarding schools must notify parents and students of their privacy rights annually. They carefully control access to records such as grades, disciplinary actions, and health information. Typically, access to this data is limited to authorized personnel and sometimes to parents, depending on the student's age and status. This ensures that sensitive information is only available to those who need it. Living on campus presents unique challenges for privacy. For instance, personal spaces like dorm rooms are private but may be subject to searches under certain circumstances. These searches are often governed by school policy and local laws. Schools must balance maintaining safety and discipline with respecting student privacy rights. To achieve this, they implement clear policies about monitoring communications, handling sensitive information, and protecting students' digital privacy. These policies aim to prevent unauthorized access to student information while supporting a safe living and learning environment. From a libertarian viewpoint, privacy in boarding schools raises important questions about individual rights and government involvement. Libertarianism emphasizes minimal government interference and strong protection of personal liberty, including privacy. This means parents and students should have maximum control over their information without excessive regulation or intrusion by the state or school authorities. Libertarians argue that privacy protections should be enforced through voluntary agreements and market mechanisms rather than heavy-handed government mandates. This perspective suggests that boarding schools should operate with clear, voluntary privacy policies agreed upon by parents and students. Schools could differentiate themselves by how well they protect privacy, giving families real options. This aligns with the broader libertarian view that education should be decentralized and diverse, allowing various educational models, including boarding schools, to flourish according to parental preferences and market demand. In summary, boarding schools handle student privacy by following laws like the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act and implementing policies to protect personal information. The libertarian perspective advocates for minimal government intervention, parental control, and voluntary agreements, allowing educational freedom and diversity to thrive.